What is the best exercise bikes? Here are my full reviews of the best exercise bikes. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. NordicTrack Commercial R35 Recumbent Bike. Size, 68.22 liters x 23.69 W x 53.42 HN. Warranty, 10-year frame, 2-year parts, 1-year labor. Console, 14-inch HD Smart Touchscreen. Weight capacity, 350 pounds. The 35 South African Rand is the most expensive option on our list, but YOLO, right? Really, though, if you're looking for a top-of-the-line option with plenty of features to keep you engaged, this bike is it. Take on-demand classes and virtual bike rides around the world, keep track of your stats, and enjoy an easy-to-adjust seat. You do need a subscription to get the most out of the bike, which isn't cheap. But the bike does come with a free 1-year membership you can renew if you love it and cancel if you don't. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 2. Solar 92 Recumbent Bike. Size, 57 liters x 30 W x 50 HN. Warranty, lifetime frame, 3-year electronics and parts, 1-year labor. Console, display to view stats, tablet holder. Weight capacity, 300 pounds. The R92 isn't a souped-up smart bike like the R35, but it's still got plenty of features, including 20 resistance levels and fans to cool you down when you're sweating it out. There's also a USB charging port and a built-in tablet holder, so you can stream your fave shows while you ride. There are only a few preset programs, so this bike is perfect for newbies, but more advanced riders might want more of a challenge. As your fitness increases, you can use your tablet to access third-party classes and boost your workout. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness Evo-Fit Cardio Recumbent Bike. Size, 62.6 liters x 25 W x 49.2 HN. Warranty, 3-year frame, 180-day parts and other components. Console, display to view stats, dual device holders. Weight capacity, 300 pounds. The Evo-Fit is cheaper than Soul Fitness R92 bike, but it's still an awesome value with a solid lineup of features. It has 24 resistance levels and a step-through design, which basically means it's super easy to mount and ideal for people with any mobility issues. Besides a console that displays your stats, it has 2 device holders, so you have plenty of options for in-flight entertainment. It also has an ultra-padded seat and comfortable hand grips. Reviewers say the bike is well built and easy to roll out of the way when you're done working out. But one person points out that the display could use an overhaul because it's not super user-friendly. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 4. Exerpeutic 400 XL Folding Recumbent Bike. Size, 20 liters x 17 W x 54 HN. Warranty, 2-year protection plan available with Amazon. For an extra fee, 1-year limited with the manufacturer. Console, small LCD screen. Weight capacity, 300 pounds. Recumbent bikes are great and all, but they usually take up a ton of room. If you live in a teeny tiny space, opting for a foldable option like the Exerpeutic 400 XL can help you maximize your limited square footage. It's not a high-tech option by any means, but you can still get a fire workout with 8 levels of resistance to choose from. And because the display is at a lower angle, you can even work out right at your desk. Reviewers say that despite the low price, the bike is comfortable and quiet. Many also say the stats on the display aren't very accurate, so a fitness tracker might do you more good. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Recumbent Exercise Bike. Size, 46 liters x 24.5 W x 38 HN. Warranty, 2-year protection plan available with Amazon. For an extra fee, 3-year frame and 90-day parts and other components with the manufacturer. Console, small digital monitor for basic stats like speed and distance. Weight capacity, 300 pounds. If you're a cycling noob looking for an affordable bike with basic features, this Sunny bike is a solid pick. It has a cushioned, adjustable seat, a knob to quickly switch resistance levels, and a no-frills display so you can keep tabs on your progress. Reviewers say the bike is easy to assemble and solidly built. The resistance may feel a little weak to some, but if you're just starting out, it's nothing to sneeze at. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 6. Marcy Recumbent Exercise Bike with Resistance ME709. Size, 55.5 liters x 25W x 37.5 HN. Warranty, 2-year protection plan available with Amazon. For an extra fee, 2-year limited manufacturer warranty. Console, small battery operated console. Weight capacity, 300 pounds. This Marcy bike features an adjustable seat, a roomy step-through design, and a generously padded seat that's ideal for riders with higher body weights. The handlebars are also wide set to accommodate larger bodies and booties. Some reviewers who weigh considerably more than the recommended max of 300 pounds say the bike is surprisingly sturdy. A few downsides: there's no water bottle holder or spot to stash your phone. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 7. As seen on TV, slim cycle stationary bike. Size, 45.5 liters x 19W x 36 HN. Warranty, 1-year manufacturer's warranty, protection plan add-on available through Amazon. Console, digital display. Weight capacity, 300 pounds. Okay, bear with us. This is seen on TV bike seems gimmicky, but if you're looking to streamline your workout and can't bear another heat session, the slim cycle is a low-cost option that challenges your upper and lower body. Bonus, the bike folds flat when you're done. Reviewers like that it's lightweight. A lot of foldable bikes are still heavy and hard to move around and offers a smooth ride. The seat isn't as padded as those of higher priced models, but reviewers say it still does the job. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.